Welcome to Fast Excel Lessons. I'm Chris Sommerhoff. This lesson shows how to create Excel's LEN function. It lets you calculate the number of characters in a cell. Here's a simple report showing employee names and numbers. Say you know that all employee numbers should be 5 characters long and you want to check for this. Select the first data cell in the length column and enter $LEN, left parenthesis, select the employee number data cell, right parenthesis, enter, and copy the formula down. Notice that the number of characters for 2 employees have wrong lengths, so the correct employee numbers would need to be found for them. If it's a short list like this, we can see those needing this visually. For a longer list, you could filter the length number column, deselect the entries 5 characters long, and then see the employees that need corrected employee numbers. So use the LEN function when you want to know a cell's character length. Go to the Fast Excel Lessons YouTube channel and see more free lessons.